This is another 2023 number challenge. We pick 3 numbers out of from 1 to 2023 integers. We're going to find the total number of choices for which 3 numbers form an arithmetic sequence. Recall that an arithmetic sequence, in this case for 3 numbers, is going to be a minus d, a plus d, where d is the common difference. Now usually d can be a negative number. Here we assume d is greater than 0 because we're interested in this particular order. Now how do we find the total number of choices out of 2023 integers? Okay, we're going to look at the possible values of a and d. Alright, so what could a and d be? Now let's look at the common difference. We know that common difference, the minimum here in this case would be 1, integer 1, right? Because common difference is integer. And what is the max value of d, the common difference? Now you would imagine that if you want to make d as large as possible for 3 number, you're going to pick 1 and 2023 as both ends, and then the middle one would be the average of that. Notice that the common difference d, which means these 2 numbers, the average would be the middle number, right? So here the average would be 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so that is, with range of d, the minimum is 1 and the maximum is 1, 0, 1, 1. Yeah, so minimum is 1, maximum is where you take the 2 endpoints and the midpoint is a here, the midpoint is 1, 0, 1, 2. So the value here d would be 1, 0, 1, 1. That's maximum possible values. Okay, now recall that in order to calculate the total number of choices, we're going to use fundamental principle of counting, that is the addition principle, right? So for different cases of d, we can just add up the total number of choices, right? So in other words, the answer we're looking for, according to the addition principle, is going to be when d varies from 1 to 1011, what is the number of choices, right? N sub d when with this value, right? So the question comes down to, once d is fixed, what possible value can a take? Yeah, because what is nd here? So which means we have 3 numbers, arithmetic sequence. When d is fixed, what value can a take, right? Again, everything has to be in this range, right? Like 1 and 2023, which means the smallest number must be 1 and the max number must be 2023. In this case, what is the value of a? So the a is going to be in this range, right? Okay, notice that when d is very, very big, when t is 1, 0, 1, 1, these 2 interval, 2 endpoints equals. Okay, so a can only take 1 value in that case, that is 1, 0, 1, 2. Right? So when d equal very small value, for example, minimum value 1, a have many choices from 2 up to 2022 in that case. So the number of a's really depends on the value of d. So what exactly, how many numbers, how many values can a take? It's going to be, if we know the 2 endpoints, right? So the number of a's would, in this case, would be the difference of, the bigger value minus smaller value plus 1, right? So which is this value here. Okay, so that is exactly n sub d here, right? So to answer the original question, you just plug in this formula here by the addition principle. So which means our answer here, you plug in the value here, right? And this is constant terms, and this is going to be the summation from d equal 1 to 1011, right? So and this is a trace of that. So which means this value here, the summation is going to come down to 1011 terms times 2022 for the constant term, and for the second part is going to be this value here. So which means it is 1011 square. Okay, So that's the final answer. So in summary, what we get is, if you choose 3 numbers from 1 to 2023, the total number of choices for which 3 numbers form an arithmetic sequence is going to be this number, which is 1011 square. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. I have some other 2023 number challenges. Please check out the playlist. I have the link in the description. In the meantime, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.